How close you think I am?
I don't know, it looks pretty good actually.
We don't have to do this. Make
Maybe
sure.
it's a hair. Oh, it's high.
Okay, well, we gotta go to the same body line.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the hood
Yeah.
piece could be off.
You're right. So that's 5 and a 8.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so good, baby.
Oh, we'll drop. Well, I tell you what, my jelly gonna be sweating.
One line down.
That's the hardest one.
She come over here?
My dad had to go to chiropractor in Wimberley.
Oh, makes sense.
He said she might come later.
Cool.
Ain't no need to know where I'm going. What do you say, Nick?
Hey, you know one that does hydro dipping?
Hydro dipping?
You know, like the,
Like hydrochloric acid?
no, like the,
Like when it puts the print on something?
yes, exactly.
If you go on your Samsung, you can Google closest hydro
I
dipping.
don't have it. Thank you, sir. I got an iPhone.
What's the line, babe, after half?
5/8.
I have a flounder dig I'm gonna
Look, there he is. He made his debut.
Oh, there he is. He ain't even Big Blue today. We can't even call him that no more.
And he's camouflage.
So, I don't think you're gonna see that little bit of a dip.
There's no dip.
Yes, there is. But the stacks will cover this whole thing.
Yeah. So
So,
if you want to, you can go with a razor blade and cut all this. Be real nice.
that's what I'm allowed to do.
You can pull tape, but we don't have that many rolls.
Oh my god.
Creep in the background. And then when she starts editing, I get this text.
Get out of the background.
You've gotten a lot better, Dino.
Yeah.
What do you say, Dad? It's only up.
Only up from there. You hot, baby?
Yes.
Our helpers.
Woohoo!
Very little.
Yeah, we don't know.
Get that straight.
Got that.
It's a little thick.
It's the morning of day 10 and Blake and I are whooped, but it is super exciting today because it is the day that we have planned. to finish painting the cab on the truck. All the paint will be done except for the air cleaners. He is running some tape right now. I'm gonna go in and help. Yeah. So we have to tape the rest of our stripes. And once that's done, we have one more color to shoot. And I guess technically 2 more colors to shoot because we took the sleeper brackets off. So we have to touch those up black. Then we can, we can touch those up black. Then we can clear and the paint will be done, like I said, other than the air cleaners. But that's a simple task. After that, it just goes into putting all the new parts on, the interior in, and then we'll be headed to the truck show.
Look at Sleepy.
Watch this thing over here. Should I tape it now? How bad is it?
Fuck, over a 1/4 inch. So 11 1/8. 11 1/2.
No measurements needed. It's all in this cabeza right there. Damn, that looks great, B. That light piece.
Good old BRB over there, just letting her rip. Boy, them lines straighter than she is. Get that lean.
I'm going for it.
She's gonna buff.
Yeah, I think we wait. We got it done. Blake's clear looks amazing. I was really nervous that this purple was not gonna go with the black, but I'm obsessed. I told Blake the other day, I was like, well, I think we'll just sell it, you know? I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be in love with it. And he was like, you're gonna love it. And I love it.
Do I sound like that?
No. Look at that mirror finish.
Got that orange peel so you can see it from every angle, you know?
No, not even. God, it looks good. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay. We've got a lot going on today. We have these pieces, the clear curing in here. Just the last stuff that we had to paint. Blake and his dad are getting these old fuel tanks off so we can put the new ones on. Lola's helping. Y'all having a hard time?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Blake's got his shit everywhere. And I am inside taking the dash out and labeling everything so that we can get our interior in. I took everything out.
Hey, Nene.
Yeah.
Come here real quick. We're gonna need your help.
Really?
Yep.
We got the little short fuel tanks on. They're so cute. The truck looks so much longer.
Oh, I thought I had my pants undone. Thing hanging out.
God, it looks good. And then them big old stacks. We should have been dumb and, huh? We should have got some 10-inch.
Help me watch these.
That looks so good. To get them straighter.
Yeah. Does the front one look pretty straight?
Let me see. Hold on.
She thinks you can't see her. Who is that? What is it?
Who is it? Who's there?
Who is it?
Lola, open a door.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Woohoo!
She wants out. She wants to go play with Lily. She's so happy.
Come here.
Easy.
Come
Oh no. Me either. And the fact that I did it in here by myself, I'm nervous now that I don't know how to get it back together. I did that like real light so it's easy to get off. Do you have to take this out? Or it comes? It comes. You need a flat screwdriver?
More shit that's stuck.
Oh, right there. There's a screw.
Where at?
I can't believe I fucking did this. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I messed up. Ready? Oh.
You okay?
Yeah. Here, let me come out to the other side and grab it for you. Well, guys, I did something. And now I'm real scared. Because I was in here all day by myself. And then Blake was like, hey, this screw goes to this and this screw goes to this. And I didn't look at what any screws went to.
So it might start, but that'll be it.
Here's all our pieces. The thing's disgusting. Look at this. Ew.
I'd say clean one owner.
Probably not. We got all our pieces out. I labeled everything, but I didn't look at the screws.
That's not bad. There's only like 7 screws that hold the whole thing.
So, no, I mean the whole cab. I didn't look at the screws.
Well, half of them are going to be new.
Okay.
Should be.
I mean, I know the door panels. That's easy. I know like the button ones. I know all that from previously, but... oh, Lord. Well... and we have to leave in 6 days. Lola's helping wet sand too. You helping? You're doing
That's
so
pretty
good.
Give me 5.
Woohoo!
Girl.
Hell yeah, girl. How's it coming?
It's coming.
I'm over here
Out here.
prepping the interior pieces for paint. We got all those. Once I'm done with the Scotch Brite on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and tape some things off on just like a little glove box piece. And I'm gonna get them shot with primer. All right, so I got all the dash pieces paint prepped and primed. We're gonna be painting them in a few minutes. Blake's out here wet sanding the truck. It looks so good. What grit is that?
5,000.
That's the last one.
Yeah, for this piece.
Tom's out here talking shit. Lola likes him. What are you doing?
Bumping.
this is what I've been doing all day while the boys have been wet sanding and buffing the truck outside. I got all this prepped and painted and cleared. All the interior pieces. Oh, it's so shiny. It looks so good. I think I'm most excited about the interior on this truck. These are the last 3 pieces I have to paint. I got the color on everything, but I gotta clear some stuff. Blake's been, there's the stuff I gotta clear. Them purple boxes. Blake and his dad have been working on the 5th wheel. No, the 5th wheel, not the 5th wheel. The frame. God, what is it called? Deck plate. Jeez.
Alright, can you go over there on top of that air valve?
Ola's chilling.
On both of them? No, you can't see this one. You can only see this one. Okay. Just like tell me and try it, and I'll tell you if it works.
My little fabricator over here.
You see what I'm talking about? That's way too much.
It looks so pretty.
Oh,